Hey guys, we're working on this 2007 Gixxer 600 today. Doing front brakes and tires. I'll show you how to do this tire with just a vise and some spoons. I got these plastic jaws, I guess, on the vise here. Taped them on. I keep the lip of the rim basically as close to that as basically on it. On this side I got it just touching the rim so I can get a push. Yeah, you can hear it popping off that safety bead there. You don't want to use the bar to try and break it off the bead. You'll scratch the rim. That's why I use the vise and them, and sometimes I just squeeze the both sides of the tires and it comes off too. It just happened to go like that this time. And to get the room to get that off, you got to push your tire down. You can see the step in the rim, say to the middle of the rim. That lets the tire move in that far to relieve this side that much. And put it in this way to break the other side. Yes, that's the worst part. The Windex is just something to help the tire slip off the rim easier. See, that keeps springing up and sticking. These tires are sticky. So you got to push him way down there. Once you get there, hey guys, I'm going to lube this tire up and stick it back on the rim. There's a little arrow pointing the way it goes. There's an arrow on the rim pointing the way it goes. It's behind the rotor there. I usually get lucky and wrestle these on, and then you don't got to worry about scratching anything. But where it's the front, it's a little bit tighter. The back, you got a lot of room to squeeze them down. Yeah, the tape just keeps the so the biggest thing is getting that speed up in the wall there. A little better on the back too, because you don't got to worry about the rotor's way smaller and there's only one. So you got a side that you can work on with. Took that in your way. Putting them on for speeds. It's either the best or the worst, because sometimes you can just plop and it's on, but I can't really do that with the rotors. If it was mounted in the machine, I could. I don't have a machine, I guess. Yeah. This side shouldn't be as bad. What's happening there is the tire's getting up too high on the rim on me. Because I got it on there, I had a bit of a mission. Anyways, I got it on till about there, and then I worked on getting it way down the bar, pushing it down to the center. And I was able just to give it a couple taps on that side. I'm gonna go with 36 in that. 42 in the back, probably. So that's all ready to go back on. I just have to take these all weights off of it. And I'm